Are lily of the valley invasive? Lily of the valley, with its delicate bell-shaped flowers, is often celebrated for its beauty and fragrance. But are they invasive? The answer is a bit complicated. While they're not classified as invasive in all regions, they can spread aggressively in the right conditions. Their rhizomatic roots allow them to multiply quickly, often outcompeting native plants for resources. In gardens, they can become a nuisance, creeping into flower beds and choking out other species. If you're considering planting them, it's essential to keep them contained. Regular maintenance, like dividing clumps every few years, can help manage their spread. So, enjoy their charm, but be mindful of their potential to take over.
And wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
What do lily of the valley smell like? Lily of the valley has a scent that's nothing short of enchanting. Imagine stepping into a lush, green forest after a gentle rain. That's the kind of freshness you get. It's a delicate, sweet fragrance, reminiscent of springtime blooms, but with a unique twist. There's a hint of earthiness, almost like a soft whisper of the forest floor, mingling with the floral notes. Some say it's like a blend of jasmine and hyacinth, but with a lighter, more ethereal quality. It's intoxicating yet subtle, evoking feelings of nostalgia and innocence. Just one whiff can transport you to a sun-dappled glade, where the air is filled with the promise of new beginnings. The scent is fleeting, much like the flowers themselves, but it lingers in your memory long after you've left. What does lily of the valley represent? Lily of the valley, with its delicate white bells, carries a rich tapestry of meanings. Often associated with purity and humility, this enchanting flower symbolizes the return of happiness. In folklore, it's said to bring good luck and is often featured in weddings, representing the joy of new beginnings. Interestingly, it also has a darker side. In some cultures, it's linked to the idea of death and rebirth, reminding us of life's cyclical nature. Beyond its beauty, lily of the valley is a powerful reminder to cherish the fleeting moments of joy and to embrace the transitions in our lives. Its sweet fragrance and gentle appearance invite us to reflect on the deeper meanings of love, renewal, and the bittersweet nature of existence. Will vinegar kill lily of the valley? Vinegar is often hailed as a natural herbicide, but will it really kill lily of the valley? This plant is notorious for its resilience. While vinegar can effectively kill some weeds, lily of the valley has a robust root system that allows it to bounce back. The acetic acid in vinegar can damage the leaves, but it may not reach the roots, which means the plant could survive. If you're looking to control its spread, a targeted approach is key. Consider using vinegar on young shoots or mixing it with salt for a stronger solution. Just remember, it can also harm surrounding plants, so use it with caution. In the battle against this charming yet invasive plant, vinegar might slow it down, but it's not a guaranteed knockout. Are lilies of the valley poisonous to cats? Lilies of the valley are stunning flowers, but they come with a hidden danger for our feline friends. These beautiful blooms contain compounds called cardiac glycosides, which can be toxic to cats. Just a small nibble can lead to serious health issues, including vomiting, diarrhea, and even heart problems. It's fascinating how something so lovely can be so harmful. If you suspect your cat has ingested any part of this plant, it's crucial to act quickly. Contact your vet immediately. Always keep an eye on your plants and ensure your home is safe for your pets. Remember, a little knowledge can go a long way in protecting our furry companions from unexpected dangers.